It's as trim as a briefcase and as easy to carry as a portable radio. The perfect way to show and enjoy the color slides you took last summer. It's the new Kodak 300 color slide projector. Not only is it the smartest looking projector you can buy, but the Kodak 300 is a pleasure to use. With easy to reach controls right here on top, and a new Ready-Matic changer, the smoothest and simplest ever designed. Its wide-angle lens shows your slides big and bright in full color in any room, large or small. The new Kodak 300 projector in your choice of 2 color combinations costs just $64.50, or as little as $6.50 down. It's also available with an automatic magazine-type changer, and because it's made by Kodak, you know it's good.
This is a tutorial on use of the Telex Carmate 4000 slide projector. This is the magazine or slide tray. This is the location of the height adjustment knobs. Press the knobs in and down to adjust the height of the projector. Pull the knobs back and out to set it firmly on the table at the height you require. The advance and reverse slide buttons are located on the side of the projector. You can advance the slide by pressing forward as marked, and reverse the slide by pressing reverse as marked. The window to allow viewing to the light bulb and internal lens of the slide is located on the top of the projector. The slide changing mechanism that operates internal to the machine is located here. The internal lens can be viewed through the top of the machine when the slide carousel is not in place. The light bulb can be viewed as well through this same slot. The power switch operates the fan and the light. You can turn the machine on by clicking power switch on and turn it off by flipping the switch to the off position. The focal lens for the slide projector can be found by pushing the window open on the front panel of the slide projector. The focal lens is just inside. The advance and reverse buttons for the audio can be located on the front of the slide projector. You can press the fast forward to advance the tape and the rewind button to reverse it. There's also the options to stop, play, and stop and eject the tape. The focus lens is located on the top of the projector. Simply turn the knob to adjust the focus on the picture. The zoom control is located on the top of the slide projector towards the rear. You can zoom the image by pulling the handle down firmly, and you'll see on the screen that the image is displayed larger. You can adjust the focus on the larger image by adjusting the focus knob. The fan of the slide projector is located inside the machine. The ventilation shaft is at the rear. When loading the slide in the slide tray, make sure that the image is upside down and reversed in orientation. It helps if your label is right side up and indicates the proper insertion of the slide, as ours do here. Once the slides have been loaded, make sure that the locking ring is secure and in place. This prevents the slides from popping out at you when you are projecting them on the screen. Once the locking ring has been secured, locate the divot in the side plastic on the slide holder. You'll need to match that with the point that sticks out on the slide projector. Line the two up and insert the slide tray. You will see that when you have inserted the tray, it will line up perfectly with the machine. When your slides have been inserted and the tray is locked firmly in place, ensure that you are at the correct number for where your slides are located in the tray. Turn on the power button to the slide projector. You will hear the sound of the fan turn on, and you should be able to see that a light has turned on inside the machine. Have your screen set up in front of the projector, and you will also be able to view your slides on the front of the projector. To advance your slides, press forward. And to reverse your slides, press reverse. Your slides will appear on the screen. If you need to focus your slides, turn the focus knob to bring the image out of or into focus. This is the zoom switch on the slide. If you need to bring your image smaller or larger, pull the tab down and the image will appear larger. Push the tab up and the image appears smaller. When you make the image larger, you will need to again adjust the focus tab to bring your image into focus. If you wish for the image to display on the front of the slide projector because you do not have a projection screen, simply close the focal lens and the image appears automatically. Once again, you may have to adjust the focus knob to bring the image into focus. This has been how to use the Telex CarMate 4000 slide projector by Ebony Nowakowski.
So I said no more video games in the house until they finish their homework.
Yeah? What did they say?
They said fine.
Really? That's it?
Introducing the Discovery Expedition Wonder Wall Projector.
Mom said no more video games in the house.
This is awesome.
Perfect for sleepovers, movie night, or gaming, indoors or out. The Wonder Wall Projector and other exciting products from Discovery Expedition are available now.
For operation of a digital recording device, turn the power button on. You can also turn the power on a digital recording device by using the power button on a remote. Ours is currently out of batteries, so unfortunately it won't be working today. There are two connections you will need to make to your laptop to display it on the overhead screen. The first one, simply insert into the corresponding port, which will either be your microphone or headphone outlet. The second is slightly more complicated. You will need to insert it into the side port that it corresponds with and twist the screw to tighten it on the side. The corresponding port on your laptop will look like this. Once the cable has been securely attached, you will note that the display from the laptop displays on the overhead screen. This has been Digital Slide Projection by Ebony Nowakowski.